Hello fellow traders, Monday's done, we're breaking down. The Dow and the S&P are both down underneath their 250 day now. S&P in 1 day. Would have thought it would have held a something today, 900 or even the 50 day, but didn't happen. Volume wasn't that strong today, but it is picking up. You can see it on the chart, it's ramping as we're coming down here. Things are looking good. Tomorrow's going to be interesting because if we start to fall more, the volume can really excel. You know, are they going to fluff it back up to the moving averages? You know, I say it's a 50-50 chance. But if it starts to drop tomorrow, you watch that volume pick up and it could be a big day down. Check this out. This is the riff in here. This is why I showed the FAS the other day breaking above 5, because here's the IPO on the riffin. Here's the little peak before the big plunge. Okay, it's part of our triple nut. But see this little plateau, like what was happening on the Dow? That's what, when it broke down, that's pretty much what broke us above 5 here, see? When it kind of got down there. And I like that, because us being above 5 means something's really happening with the riffin. My own FAS, so I like to look at that chart because, you know, I beg to differ, man. If it's breaking through and breaking out, it's because the riffin's breaking through and breaking down. But there's our triple nut, right? That's where you should have damn near went all in, but this is a marathon, not a sprint. We got to do this for life. But check this out right here. We're right there at the 600 mark. Boom. This is where we battled. We're there. It should break through that. If it breaks through that, this is my target, 450. And why I like that is because here's our downtrend on the riffin. Remember our steep downtrend on the Dow? We never actually went and tested. We tested this top on the Dow, which I'll show you in a second, but the riffin actually tested, bam, and went up. I like this because this is our break the downtrend top. Right there, I'll be really, really light on FAS, or all cash out of FAS. Will I trade it on the way? Yeah. Like if we get a big down day tomorrow, I'm going to gamble. I'm going to sell half of my FAS for a little fluff up. Because look at, we just broke through the 50 on the riffin even. Things are setting up now. You know, the World Bank comes out today and doubles their contraction rate since March. It's beautiful. It's beautiful for the trade that we want. Okay? Why I pulled up the Dow again? Because number one, I gotta show the triple nut. I love it. Okay? And I also want to go over the trade that has arose. Okay, I was pretty much all cash right here, and I just want to go over a little lesson. This is why I like to build positions, because right now I have a fat position in FAS. See? Instead of a light position, because you can't be picking up all at once. I mean, if you've been holding this whole time and you're done, you're just dabbling. And the fall could just, I mean, this is where my patience kind of wears thin. I can't wait to see what's going on. You know, it's going to be phenomenal. Here's us right here. This is what I mean, that the Dow never broke the initial downtrend until here, like the riff and I just showed you. So it should have came down and touched here. See? Bam! But instead, it just came off and retouched here. So we'll call that good, like we said. 7,200. Tomorrow's really important. Are they going to fluff us back up? Because boy, if it starts dropping, you're going to see that volume pick up. I guarantee it. And it's going to be a bloody day on Wall Street. And I want to end tonight because I came out Friday kind of crazy with a little presidential speech, but I want to follow it up with a little more info here to think about. You know, I went over the big toilet bowl that started when the World Trade Centers collapsed with the automakers. You know, 0%, remember? 3 years. No money off if you want that. You know, now it's 0%. You know what's going on. 0%. They're like paying your payment, doing everything, and they're bankrupt. And they're still 0%. I mean, you see the commercials just like I do. How is the Fed going to get away from lending at 0% to the banks? It'll crush their profits. It'll crush any kind of a turnaround, you know? And if the foreigners buy any more of our debt, why would they want any more? They're already up to like 80% right now. Seems pretty scary, man, when you think about it, you know. It's going to get interesting over the next few years, that's for sure. But anyways, the trade we're going for right now, Dow 7,200, Riffin 450, then we'll reevaluate which way the market's going. Good luck.